Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean a dirty car. In this occasion we have this Chevy Silverado. This is a work truck. I mean, for those people that work, that have work trucks, I mean, it's normal if your car gets very dirty, especially because you sweat a lot and then you just get in and drive your vehicle. So as you can see on this seat, I mean, there is a lot of, you can see oil, mud stick all together. So technically this is all sweat with dirt. So seat right here, as you can see, I'm scratching right here. This is supposed to be light gray. The color of the seat is supposed to be light gray, and as you can see, this is not light gray. It's very dirty. I'm going to show you the other seat right here. See, this is all black. This is very bad. This is the back seat right here. This is the back seat, the floor. This is the dashboard as well. It's very dirty as well. Door panels, handles, look at this. This is very dirty. If you scratch it with your hand, it's just like it's I don't know if you can see it. It's very bad. The ceiling as well, if you can see, the ceiling is very dirty on this side as well. This door panel right here, look at this. This is just bad right here. Look at all this. Oh my goodness, did you scratch it? Look at the mud right there. So we have to clean all that. Today I'm going to show you how to clean it, and then hopefully you get an idea on how to clean your car. If you do car cleaning as business, also you can have an idea on how to clean people's car, and then make them happy, I would say. So stick to the video and see how I clean this truck. Hello guys, so to start cleaning my truck, it's very simple. My tools that I need, it's I need a brush, which I have here. We also need some degreaser. The reason we're using degreaser here is because if you notice this all this dirt here on the seat, the black stuff here on the seat, this is oil. People that used to use this truck, when they sweat, the sweat, it's technically oil. So the oil goes to the seat, and then technically the oil attracts dust, dirt, everything on it. So that's technically the reason we're using degreaser here. We want to use a degreaser, a light one, multi-purpose degreaser. You don't want to use a heavy one, because if you use a very heavy degreaser, you're gonna burn the plastics or anything like that. So use a light multi-purpose degreaser. So it's very simple. And then I also have my extractor wand with me here, which has my solution water hose and my vacuum hose here. So what I'm using, it's my as you can see here, this is my extractor machine. Technically this machine, what it does, it sprays water and vacuums at the same time. This machine is used to clean carpets. Technically this is a carpet cleaning machine. It's a Voxus 421. So back here, the first thing you want to do is you want to spray your degreaser where the oil or the dirt is, where you think it's dirty. In this case, I mean, the whole seat is very dirty, so I want to spray it very well. Spray the whole seat. So you want to spray it all over the seat. Spray it. We want to spray here as well. We want to spray even. We want to spray even so that we can get rid of all the dirt. The whole seat, we want it very clean. Here we go. Spray it even. And then we want to brush the seat a little bit, scrub it. Back here, scrub it. Okay guys, I want to show you something. I have a paper towel with me here. I am going to clean it a little bit with this paper towel. If you can see, this paper towel is very clean. So what I want to do is show you how dirty this seat is. If I go clean a little bit like this with the paper towel, look at all that. It's very, very dirty. This side is clean. Watch this. Look at all that. Okay, so this is what we want to get rid of. Okay, I don't really use paper towels, but this was just to show you how dirty this seat is. So we spray the chemical. You want to spray it, the degreaser, evenly, the whole seat, or it depends if you want to clean a seat that only has like a stain, one stain or multiple stains here and there. I mean, just to spray the stains. But if the vehicle is very dirty, I mean, I recommend to just spray the whole seat, the whole fabric, all the seats. If you have carpet, it applies for the carpet as well. You want to spray the carpet evenly and then scrub it with the brush. You want to scrub it on a circle motion multiple times. Okay guys, so right now I am going to start. It's a little bit loud because I just turned on my my vacuum, my extractor machine, but I am going to start cleaning this seat. Technically what you want to do is you want to spray water. It's going to be wet. Yeah, I know it's going to be water all over, but I mean, I'd rather spray water and then let it dry later, and then don't have this seat like this, you know. I think this is inhumane, you know. It's very dirty. So you want to spray water on it, then you want to come and clean the seat like this. Watch. My extractor is spraying water, and also it's vacuum the dirt. I don't know if you can see the difference. I just cleaned this part of the seat right here. I don't know if you can see. You see, I don't know if you can see the difference. I see it very well. See, there is no more oil, no more dirt, the gray part. Okay, so technically what I did first is I applied my degreaser, my chemical, then I scrub it just to help my machine a little bit to vacuum all the dirt, the oil. So the same thing that I did to this part, I am going to apply it for the whole thing, okay? All the seats, the front seats, the back seats, and also I want to apply it for the carpet. The carpet is going to be the same exact thing, okay? You want to apply the degreaser, your chemical that you want to use, and then also you want to vacuum. If you can see my scrubber here, my wand, my extractor wand. This wand, what it does, it applies water, and then it also it has a capacity of applying hot water, which at some point it becomes a steam. Okay, so that helps even better if you have an extractor that makes a steam. That helps a lot more than just using cold water. So this machine that I have here can produce or make a steam, okay, or hot water, whatever you want to use, either a steam or hot water is going to help you a lot. So this is how I clean only the gray part of the seat. If you see here, I haven't cleaned. I want to clean this as well. So technically you want to do the same process. I am going to just clean the whole thing right now non-stop, and then later I'll show you how to clean all the plastic accessories of the door panels, the dashboard, and all that stuff. I will recommend you what to Emerald or like plastic shine to use. Stick to the video and just watch how I clean the whole truck. Thank you. So I am going to show you this seat that I already cleaned. As you can see, it looks clean now. It looks great. It's wet right now because of all the water that we used to clean it. Okay, so once it dries, we have to let it dry for about 3 hours. After those 3 hours, it should get lighter than what already is. But I mean, if you see this seat, if you compare this seat with this other one right here, I mean, you can see the difference. See this seat right here? Versus, boom. You can tell the difference. I mean, big difference. Once it dries, you're gonna notice a difference, like, boom, 100%, like totally different. This is a clean seat versus a dirty seat right there. You can tell. So I am going to go ahead and clean the whole truck, the whole seats. The one I'm missing, the passenger seat. I already cleaned this extra seat on the middle as well. It's already clean. And then I am going to clean also the floor. The floor, this truck has a plastic floor because it's this one is a work truck, so it has plastic, which makes it easier to clean. But as you can see, it's also very dirty. So I am going to go ahead and just clean it, and then just stick to the video and see how I clean it. And then if you have any questions, concerns, please just let me know in the comments. Thank you.